keep doing what we've always done, then we'll always be where we've always been. And so what I want to do is really include the community in terms of moving forward, and not just those individuals who have been representing certain groups in the past, but we've got to bring the masses together. And there have been some people that have been left out, and we've got to bring them. We can't leave anybody behind. You know, George Bush said, "No child left behind." I say, "No citizen left behind."
Okay.
Yeah.
So you applaud his efforts.
Yes,
and you,
of course.
You just want to fine tune and reach the groups that haven't been included, maybe.
And no, the groups that have been that are engaged, those who are building the community, the business leaders. What we need to do there is to help them to grow their businesses and find new markets for their products.
Gotcha.
And we've got to find ways of recruiting other businesses into the area. So no, it's not just focusing on those who have been marginalized, but including.
Right, I didn't mean to exceptionalize, but two questions that kind of relate to each other. The first half of it is describe District 90 and the problems that it faces and how do you plan to address them. And the flip side is
helping to find creative ways of attracting industry and visitors to the community. You know, part of the district, the Ace Basin is in part of that district. And oh my goodness, you're talking about beauty.
Definitely.
Oh, and just, yes, and promoting tourism around that. Those kinds of things. There's lots of open fields, and what is very, very popular are the dirt bikes and off-road racing. Have those kinds of competitions and establish national competitions, so you're drawing people from across the country to come and compete. Those kinds of things are low-lying fruit that if we can find the right people who are interested in those kinds of things. But I'm sure that there are other people who have other ideas that are probably better than those, but we just need to come together and figure out what it is that we need to do and start doing it. That's it. The prescription is bringing us together. Once we come together and we decide what it is that we really, really need to work on, I think everybody is going to say, yes, we need more jobs. Yes, we need to improve our education. Yes, we need health care. And I'm not so sure if everybody's going to say this, but I say, yes, we need to preserve our environment. What saddens me is when I drive up and down the highways and byways and see all the trash littered everywhere. And I'm just wanting to help people to understand that we're not going to be able to recruit industry if we don't clean up where we live. Nobody wants to come and locate in a trash can. And so we've got to clean up this beautiful place where we live.